Hello class, my name is Baibite. I am here today to present you a grammar lesson. It is about adverbs of frequency. The most common adverbs of frequency that we have in English are always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never. So we are going to see in detail each one of them. So the first one is always. Always, we use it, for example, when the action is repeated, at 100% of frequency. For example, when we repeat it, every day. For example, if every day I take bath before going to school, I can say I always take bath before going to school. We can use it in this case. And the second one is usually. Usually, is a little bit similar to the first one always, but, at 100% of, difference. For example, we use it for actions that we do many times, for example, in a period of time. I can take the example. Isa usually goes to work by car. So almost every day, Isa goes to work by car. So we can use it in this case. And the next one is generally. Generally, here the frequency is about 8%. I can take the example. I generally go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m. For example, if I say I generally go to bed at 11 o'clock p.m., it means I can, for example, go to bed in 5 days of the week, and the days of the weekend I may go to bed at about 1 o'clock p.m. or 2 p.m. or whatever. And also we have often. Often we use it when the frequency of the action is at about 70%. Yeah. So here I can say I often go to the beach after class, or if I often go to the beach, in the evening, So it is an example. I do it, but it is, often. And the next one is sometimes. Sometimes we use it when the action is repeated, at 50% of frequency. 50%, it is the middle. So we can say that it is not, heavily repeated, or it is not, lessly repeated. And also we have occasionally here. We use it when the frequency is at about 30%. I occasionally go to the cinema. I occasionally go to etc. And we have seldom at 10%. We have rarely at 5%. We have never at 0%. It means that the probability of the things to happen is 0. So we have no chance to make it happen. For example, I can say my case. I am a Muslim, So in my religion, it is prohibit to drink alcohol. I can say I will never drink alcohol in my life. It is a quite example. And we are going to see, where we can use this kind of adverbs. We can use them, for example, in a sentence. And a sentence can be viewed into 4 categories, into 4 different ways. For example, about the forms, we can have affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form, and interrogative form. But here we will not, insist on the last one, but because it is, it is rarely or seldomly, used in English. So here we have, the first one, affirmative form. The formation is subject plus verb plus adverb, plus verb plus predicate. predicate, it means you know, the object, complement in French. And for the next one, we have the formation is subject plus helping verb plus adverb plus main verb plus predicate. The helping verb is here. For example, it can be the auxiliary do. When we have, you know, when we have an ordinary verb, you know, so we use the auxiliary do. But if we have, for example, an auxiliary, we will just use not after the auxiliary. You know, I think you understand all those stuff. So, and the last one we have here, interrogatory form. The formation is auxiliary verb first, plus verb plus subject plus adverb plus main verb plus predicate. And the last, you know, the last case where we can use, you know, these kind of adverbs is emphasize. For example, if we have something to emphasize, an action or whatever. For example, I can say sometime I go to the beach. Sometime. So sometime is at the first place of the verb of the sentence. So here we use, you know, the adverb at the first place of the sentence. The formation is adverb plus subject plus verb plus predicate. So that's all what I have to present to you for today. But just give me, you know, some grants. We will continue to do a lot of, you know, lessons about grammar. You can go, you know, to visit my YouTube channel and you can subscribe to get the next lessons. You know, thank you for